You've spent years on traditional Google SEO, but guess what? That old playbook is officially becoming obsolete. You're building backlinks and targeting keywords, but honestly, customers just aren't clicking those traditional search links anymore. Instead, millions have shifted. They're asking AI tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity for instant synthesized answers.
Here's the brutal truth. If AI answers without mentioning your brand, your competitor silently wins that customer.
Enter Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO. It's the new strategy targeting AI's training data, not just algorithms.
While old-school SEO fights for a page one click, GEO ensures your brand is the single, definitive AI answer. And the scale is absolutely massive. We're talking over 1 billion AI searches every single day by 2025.
The whole funnel changed. Consumers now build deep trust with AI recommendations before they ever open a browser.
So, you might be wondering, how do these generative engines actually decide which brands to recommend?
To build an undeniable AI footprint, it all really boils down to these 4 core signals.
First up, citations. AI models train heavily on discussions from places like Reddit, making your contextual mentions vital. Second is entity authority. AI trusts recognized brands. A strong presence across multiple platforms totally boosts your credibility.
Third, keep it structured. Use plain language and direct facts so AI can instantly extract your website's content.
Finally, community trust. Authentic, positive discussions by real people heavily influence exactly what these AI engines recommend.
Stack these 4 signals together and you create a powerful brand presence that AI simply cannot ignore.
You don't have to choose between them, though. The smartest brands in 2025 are stacking SEO and GEO.
Let's look at GEO in action. A skincare brand started generating real, helpful user discussions on Reddit. Here's the ultimate payoff. Months later, a user asks ChatGPT for a highly specific sunscreen recommendation. Guess what? The AI pulls directly from those authentic forum discussions and confidently recommends that exact brand.
Your game plan? Audit your AI visibility, build genuine community citations, and deeply structure your website's content.
Every day you ignore GEO, your competitors win. So ask yourself, what will AI say about you tomorrow?